World markets have been reeling. Sharp declines in Asia followed Thursday's massive sell-off on Wall Street, which had been blamed in part on a technical glitch. The Tokyo Stock Exchange closed more than 3% down. Investors around the world have been spooked by a confluence of factors, including a fear that the Greek debt crisis would spread in Europe. Japanese Prime Minister Yukio Hatoyama was among those expressing concern.
We are extremely worried about developments in Greece. And the government will take the appropriate response.
The big European markets opened about 2% lower Friday, though they recovered steadily in morning trading. Still, Robert Halver at Bader Wertpapier Handelsbank said trading was still being affected by the persisting fear that more countries on the continent could be in trouble.
Greece is the tip of the iceberg. You have to understand that it wasn't the tip of the iceberg caused the Titanic to sink, but what was underneath. If we cannot manage the problems in Greece, how can we stand in front of the international community and say that we can also manage Portugal, Italy, Spain with no problem? Nobody will believe that.
The lack of a clear outcome from Britain's election was adding to the market woes in Europe. In Paris, François Chollet is Director General of Montségur Finance.
It is also evident that in the UK, where the budget deficit is significant, if there is a political system failure, it will create problems. It is essential for the UK to quickly regain a strong political will and a strong political voice.
Stock markets weren't alone in seeing massive swings. The US dollar, the euro, and the British pound all have seen big drops and smaller recoveries in the currency markets, and the price of oil also has been oscillating wildly. Back in Greece, despite other European countries approving a bailout package, people in the street remain fearful for the future. Borrowing costs for the country hit another record high Friday, and concerns persist the government will have trouble implementing its austerity plan. Karen Sloan, The Associated Press.